What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another dljworks tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a basic HTML website from scratch, just using nothing but your PC and Notepad built onto Windows. So without further ado, let's get started. Oh, and I am going to try to do this in 5 minutes or less without any edits whatsoever, with the exception of some zooming that I'm actually going to do here on iMovie. All right, now, the first thing that we're actually going to do is we're going to open up or create a new folder. I've already have a new folder that's created and I titled it new website. To create a new folder though, we're going to right click, click on new folder, okay? And that's how you would create a folder. The second thing that we're going to do next is I already have Notepad down here attached to my taskbar, but because this is Windows 10, if you don't have Notepad, you can simply just type Notepad in the Cortana search engine. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and click on that and open it up. Make sure my format is word wrapped and my font, make it very much computerized, regular, and we're going to do this in a 14 style font. Okay, leave the script as Western. All right, now the first thing we actually need to do is we need to go ahead and declare the document that this is. So I'm going to go ahead and type in doc type, then it's going to be HTML. Okay, then we're going to know that this is an HTML file. So the doc type setting pretty much tells the computer that, hey, this is or it tells the browser that you're going to be using, hey, this is an HTML document. Okay, so anytime you have tags, you open up one tag, you have to close it. Okay, so that's a good practice to go ahead and get into. The second thing that we're going to do next is we're going to create a header. So kind of think of it as you're writing a programming essay. That's the way that I like to describe it when you're doing websites. Okay, you're taking the format of actually doing an actual essay where you have a header, introductory, paragraph, body, conclusion, all that. So that's a great way to look at it. The next thing that we're going to do now we have our header, okay, I'll tell you what's going to go into that in a second. Now we need to create a body tag. Okay, so our body tag and everything is going to go inside of this body. Okay, and let's go ahead and let's do some text here. Let's go ahead and let's create a header. Okay, and we'll say this is my heading. Okay, and then I'll go ahead and put some, okay, P here. We'll open and close this. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and press enter, tab over. Kind of indentations are really good for the actual person that's actually reading your code, so they'll know how your code is written. Okay, and from here in between the p tags, I'm just going to grab some dummy text from a dummy text generator. Okay, going to copy that and paste it here. Okay, so everything inside of this tag is going to be understood as pretty much paragraph text. So now in order to, because I have this space here, I'm going to add a BR tag as a break tag. Okay, and then the header tag right now, okay, we're not going to put anything in the header at this moment in time, and I will show you the actual syntax that needs to be written here in a second. But now that we have the basics down here with the HTML, let's go ahead and see how this will look on an actual browser. Are you trying to build a custom WordPress website from scratch but don't know where to begin? Get digging into WordPress from that CSS tricks guy Chris Coyer and his partner Jeff Starr. He's made it easy to understand for beginners and pros alike. It's color-coded, well-organized, and designed. So dig deep into WordPress. Check the link in the description. Now save this. Okay, go to save as. So I get to name it. Okay, go select that as all files. Desktop, we're going to click on our new website. Okay, now this is going to go into our new website. I'm going to name this, whenever you have your home page, you're going to name it index.html. Encoding is going to be UTF-8, so make sure you change it to that. Okay, because I'm trying to do this in less than 5 minutes, we'll go back in later videos in the future and to kind of explain why this is, but just follow me on this. Click save. All right. Now the next thing that we need to do to make sure that our website is working, let's go ahead and open up this. Okay, now I'm gonna right click because I don't want to open this up in Google. I don't want to open this up in Microsoft Edge right now because it's horrible. It's horrible. Okay, so let's see, we're open up with, And I like to use Firefox, but for the sake of this, I'm gonna use Google Chrome. And voila. Okay. I don't know why that popped up. Oh, because of the dummy text. So the Lorem Ipsum. All right. So this is my heading. As we can see, our website is working just fine right now. So if you was to have a hosting company and you're putting those pages up onto a hosting platform, you would not see this file up here. You will actually see whatever your domain name actually is. So that's pretty much it in terms of creating a very basic website. You want to make sure some key things to learn from this very quick tutorial is to create a file folder strictly for the main website that you're going to do. Create the web pages, and you're going to save it all into the same folder. Have the basic syntax written out, which is the doc type declaration, the HTML, so the browser will know that this is an HTML document, header tag, the head tags, the body tags, some paragraph tags if you're adding text, and header, which H1 is for a heading tag. All right, that's pretty much it for this video. Stay tuned for more and others like this. dljworks. God bless y'all. See you in the next video.
Before you leave, go to the description below, click that show more link to see and use all of the resources that I trust that makes DLJ works and can easily work for you.